the cardinality of a set. So when we say cardinality of a set, it is denoted by this one, NA, refers to the number of elements in a given set. So kapag sinabi nating cardinality of a set, ibig sabihin lamang nito class ay kung ilan ang bilang ng mga elements or members doon sa isang set. Okay, so let us have some examples. For example, we have set A. So the elements of this set are red, yellow, blue. So the cardinality of set A is 3 or NA is equal to 3. Bakit naging 3 ang kanyang cardinality? Kasi meron siyang tatlong elements which are red, yellow, and blue. So tatlo sila, 1, 2, 3. Next, set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the cardinality of B is 5 or NB is equal to 5. Bakit 5 ang ating cardinality? Kasi merong 5 elements or members yung ating set B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And finally, we have set C. So set C is equal to empathy, diligence, chastity, integrity. So the cardinality of set C is 4 or NC is equal to 4. Bakit 4 or 4 ang kanyang cardinality? Kasi merong 4 na elements or members ang set C which are empathy, diligence, chastity, and integrity. So kapag sinabi natin cardinality of a set, ito yung total number of elements or members sa isang set. Okay, so let us have an exercise. So find the cardinality of a set. So set A is a set of counting numbers from 2 to 10. So bibilangin natin kung ilan yung mga members or elements na nakapaloob sa set na ito. So bibigyan ko kayo ng 5 seconds para sabihin yung sagot. Okay, so the answer is 9. Bakit 9 ang sagot? So balikan natin yung question. So the question is, set A is a set of counting numbers from 2 to 10. So bilangin natin yung mga numbers from 2 to 10 or counting numbers from 2 to 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kapag binilang mo lahat yan from 2 to 10, there are 9 elements. So the cardinality of set A is 9. Okay, next tayo. Set B is a set of grade 7 sections in Mabalacat National High School. What do you think is the answer? Okay, so the answer is 12 because there are 12 sections in grade 7 in Mabalacat National High School. So yung total number of sections in grade 7 in Mabalacat National High School is 12. That's why our cardinality is 12. Next, set C is a set of colors of rainbow. So ano kaya ang cardinality niyan? Okay, so the answer is 7. Bakit 7? Ilan bang colors ng rainbow? We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, at violet. So kapag binilang mo lahat yon, the total is 7. So the cardinality is 7. Okay, so we're done on the cardinality of a set. Now, let's go on to the finite set, infinite set, and null set. So when we say finite set, a set is a finite set if all of its elements can be listed down. When we say finite set class, ito ay set kung saan pwede mong maibigay lahat ng posibleng elements or members ng set na iyon. So for example, set A is the set of days in a week. So, analyze natin. Set A is the set of days in a week. So, pwede mong maibigay lahat ng araw sa isang linggo. So, the answer is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So, nailista, naibigay mo lahat ng elements ng set na iyon, kaya yung set A is considered a finite set. Another example, set B is the set of counting numbers between 5 and 12. So what are the numbers between 5 and 12? So set B is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So naibigay mo lahat ng elements, lahat ng members ng set na yun, kaya set B is considered a finite set. Next, infinite set. So an infinite set is a set if not all of the elements can be listed down. So ibig sabihin, kabaliktaran to ng finite set. Ang infinite set, hindi mo pwedeng maibigay lahat ng posibleng elements or members ng set na iyon dahil sobrang dami nila. Example, set C is the set of counting numbers. So there are so many counting numbers. So mag-start tayo ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth hanggang 1 million, 1 billion. So hindi mo kayang pagkasyahin sa loob ng braces lahat ng members at elements ng set na yun. Kaya siya infinite set. Likewise, set D is the set of odd numbers. So what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on and so forth. So ibig sabihin, hindi mo kayang maibigay lahat ng odd numbers. So infinite set siya. At kung mapapansin nyo class, sa infinite set, meron siyang tatlong tuldok sa dulo. Anong ibig sabihin ng tatlong tuldok sa dulo? Ang ibig sabihin or ang tawag dyan ay ellipsis. When we say ellipsis, it is the three dots which indicates that the series of elements are continuous. So ibig sabihin, yung ellipsis na yan or yung tatlong tuldok na yan, ang nagsasabi na hindi dyan nagtatapos ang element ng set na iyon. Ibig sabihin, for example, itong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hindi nagtatapos sa 5 yung element. Okay, may katuloy siya. Ganon din yung 1, 3, 5, 7. Hindi nagtatapos sa 7 yung element. Meron siyang katuloy. So, yun ang ibig sabihin ng ellipsis. Okay? So, anong pagkakaiba ng finite at infinite set? Finite set, pwede mong maibigay, mailista lahat ng element ng set na iyon. Samantalang yung infinite set, hindi mo pwedeng maibigay, mailista lahat ng mga elements ng set na iyon at meron kang mapapansin na tatlong tuldok or yung tatlong tuldok na yon ay tinatawag na ellipsis. Anong ibig sabihin ng ellipsis na yon? Ang ellipsis na yon ay nagsasabi na hindi doon nagtatapos yung element or yung mga elements ng set na iyon. Okay? And next, we have the empty set or the null set. It is a set containing no elements and is denoted by symbols. Okay, here are the symbols for empty set and null set. So example, set E is the set of full numbers less than 0. Okay? So bakit ganito ang sagot? Pag sinabi nating empty set or null set, ibig sabihin wala tayong maibigay na element or members ng set na iyon. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng empty set. Wala tayong maibigay na element or laman ng isang set. For example, ito, set E is the set of full numbers less than 0. Okay? So, wala namang whole number na less than 0. So wala tayong maibigay na member ng set. So empty set siya. Next example, set F is the set of cars with two wheels. Again, empty set siya. Dahil wala namang kotseng merong dalawang gulong. Okay? Merong mang sasakyan dalawang gulong pero hindi na car ang tawag sa kanya bagkos pwede siyang tawaging motor or bisikleta pero hindi siya car. Kasi ang car, meron siyang apat na gulong. So, ibig sabihin, imposible itong hinihinging elements ng set F. Okay? So, that is the empty set. Wala tayong maibigay or imposible nating maibigay yung element ng isang set. Now, let us have the exercise. So, determine if the following set is a finite set, infinite set, or an empty null set. Okay, the set of counting numbers greater than 8. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to answer this one. Okay, so the answer is infinite set kasi maraming elements yung set na iyon. Next, the set of months in a year. Okay, so that is finite set. Bakit finite set? Kasi pwede mong maibigay lahat ng buwan sa isang taon. Pwede mo siyang ilista, pwede mong enumerate. Okay? Next, the set of polygons with no sides. That is empty or null set. Because lahat ng polygons ay may side. Kasi ang tanong, the set of polygons with no sides. So, lahat naman ng polygon may side, merong side. So, wala tayong maibibigay na elements ng set. So, the answer is empty or null set. Now, let's go on to the universal set and subset. So, universal set is denoted by big letter U, contains all the elements being considered in a given situation. So, when we say universal set, ito yung lahat ng elements sa isang situation. Ito yung kabuuan na set or kabuuan ng mga elements na kinoconsider natin sa isang sitwasyon. So, consider this example. So, this is our universal set because meron siyang or it is denoted by this symbol. Now, anong tawag natin dito sa set A, set B, and set C? Okay? Itong set A, set B, and set C are subsets of what? Of the universal set. Kapag sinabi nating subset, these are subgroups. Ibig sabihin, para lubos nating maintindihan, yung universal set, ito yung pangkalahatang grupo. Ito yung main group. Ngayon, yung main group na yon ay nahati pa sa iba't ibang grupo. At yung mga iba't ibang grupo na yon na galing sa universal set, ang tawag natin sa kanila ay subset. So, ibig sabihin, si A, si B, at si C ay subset ng ating universal set. At kung mapapansin nyo, si set A, ang kanyang elements ay 2 at saka 4, meron din siya sa universal set. Si B, 4, 6, 8, yung mga elements niya ay meron din sa universal set. Samantalang si set C, 2, 8, 10, ang mga elements niya ay meron din sa universal set. Kasi nga, ang mga subset na ito ay nanggaling dun sa ating universal set. So, notice that all the element in the set A, B, and C are in the universal set U. Okay, so set A, B, and C are subsets of U. Okay? Now, how to determine the number of subsets in a set? So, paano daw natin madedetermine kung ilan yung pwede nating magawang subset sa isang set? Again, kapag sinabi nating subset, ito yung mga set na nanggaling sa ating main set or universal set. Right? Okay? So now, ang question dito is paano natin malalaman kung ilang subset ang pwede nating mabuo sa isang set? So, meron tayong formula. Use 2 raised to n, where n is the cardinality. So, natatandaan yung cardinality. Kapag sinabi nating cardinality, ito yung total number of elements in a set. Okay, so ito yung gagamitin nating formula. 2 raised to n. So, example. So, we have this one. G is equal to 0, 1, 2. So, ilan ang pwede nating mabuong subset using this set? List all possible subsets. So, here is the solution. So, n is equal to 3. Bakit 3? Ano yung n? N is the cardinality. And when we say cardinality, ito yung total number of elements. Ilan ba ang lahat ng elements sa set G? 1, 2, and 3. So, meron tayong tatlong elements. That's why our n is equal to 3. Okay? Saan nanggaling tong 2? Galing ito sa ating formula. Tapos yung n, pinalitan natin ng 3. So, anong ibig sabihin ng 2 raised to 3? Ang ibig sabihin nito, tatlong beses nating imumultiply ang 2 sa kanyang sarili. Kaya, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong tatlong 2 dito. So, 1, 2, 3 na pinagmultiply natin sa bawat isa. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng 2 raised to 3. So, 2 times 2 times 2, the answer is 8. Okay, baka mamaya ang gawin nyo class, 2 raised to 3, baka mamaya ang gawin nyo, pag ipag-multiply nyo yung dalawa, 2 times 3, ang sagot nyo 6. That is wrong. Ang ibig sabihin ng 2 raised to 3 ay tatlong beses nyong imumultiply yung 2 sa kanyang sarili. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo dito, meron tayong tatlong 2. So, 2 times 2 times 2, the answer is 8. So, ibig sabihin, pwede kang makabuo ng 8 subset gamit ang set na ito. Yes, 8 subset ang mabubuo mo using this set. So here are the possible subsets that you can create from this given set. Empty set, 0, 1, 2, tapos merong 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So kapag binilang mo yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 subsets that you can create from this given set. So, nagigets ba mga bata? So, let us have our exercise number 6. Determine the number of subsets in a set. Okay, so use 2 raised to n where n is the cardinality. So, ano yung cardinality ng set na ito? When we say cardinality, ilan yung laman niyang elements? 2. 1, 2. So, I'll be giving you 5 seconds to answer the example. Okay, so the answer is 4. Bakit 4? Dahil ilan ba yung elements ng set? Okay, ang elements ng set ay 2, so our n is 2. So 2 raised to 2, pag pinag-times mo yung dalawang 2, 2 times 2, the answer is 4. Next, B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to answer this one. Okay. So, ilan yung elements ng set na ito? Meron tayong 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ibig sabihin, 2 raised to 5. So, 2 raised to 5. Ilan kaya yon? Ibig sabihin, imo-multiply natin yung 2 ng 5 beses sa kanyang sarili. So, the answer is 32. Kasi 5 beses nating imo-multiply yung 2 sa kanyang sarili. Okay, so 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32. So the answer is 32. Next, set C. So again, alamin natin ang cardinality ng set na ito. So when we say cardinality, ilan lahat ng elements ng isang set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 elements of a set. So ibig sabihin, the cardinality is 6. So this will become 2 raised to 6. So ibig sabihin, 6 na beses nating imumultiply ang 2 sa kanyang sarili. So the answer there is 64. Okay? So that's how you get the number of subsets in a set. Okay, so thank you for listening, my grade 7.